Hi everyone, it's Rachel Smith up here in Big Bear Lake with RE/MAX, bringing you another local neighborhood breakdown here in beautiful Big Bear Lake. Today we're diving into the pros and cons of living in Eagle Point, a quiet lakeside community that's definitely worth a look if you've been thinking about buying or investing in Big Bear. Whether you're looking for a vacation retreat, a short-term rental, or a full-time mountain home, Eagle Point has a lot to offer, but like anywhere, it's not without its trade-offs. So let's get into it. Number one, location. Eagle Point is right in the heart of Big Bear Lake, making it super convenient. You are close to everywhere you need to be. The village, the marinas, the restaurants, and even the ski slopes aren't too far away. You really can't beat the central access. Number two, lake access and views. Many properties in Eagle Point have lake views or are just steps away from the water. Whether you love boating, paddleboarding, or just relaxing by the shore, this neighborhood gives you that true lakeside lifestyle. Number three, quiet and residential feel. It is a peaceful and established neighborhood. You will find less of the hustle and bustle here compared to tourist-heavy zones, which is great if you're looking for a more relaxed vibe. Number four, curb appeal. Eagle Point has some beautiful, well-maintained homes, many with larger lots and more mature trees. It's one of those neighborhoods where pride of ownership really shows. And what are the cons? Number one, home prices. Because of its prime location, Eagle Point homes tend to be on the higher end of the market. You're paying for proximity to the lake and that desirable address. Number two, limited short-term rental activity. While some homes are permitted for vacation rentals, it's a more residential area. So if you're an investor focused solely on short-term rental income, this might not be the highest performing area compared to, say, Moonridge or Fox Farm. Number three, winter access. Some streets can get a bit narrow and icy in the winter. It's totally manageable, but something to be aware of if you're not used to mountain living. And number four, less cabin charm. If you're looking for a super rustic, woodsy vibe, Eagle Point tends to have more traditional residential homes versus cozy log cabins. So there you have it, the pros and cons of Eagle Point in Big Bear Lake. It's definitely one of my favorite neighborhoods for buyers who want a mix of comfort, convenience, and that lakeside feel. If you're curious about current listings in Eagle Point or want to schedule a private tour, I'd love to help. You know where to find me. Bye.